he was as accurate as he was 2 years ago, and came up with a description of what I was dealing with in the body, emotions and mind. He was just spot on.
Good evening, viewers. I have with me Muralidhar Adamane. He came to us for Nadi Pariksha, and so he came twice. One was the physical Nadi Pariksha, that was the first time that he came, and because he had certain issues to resolve, and then he came for a Doot Nadi Pariksha, that is, this is a remote diagnosis. So, for those of you who have seen the previous feedback videos of people who have come to us for physical Nadi Pariksha as well as Doot Nadi Pariksha, here is a person who is very much from Bangalore, and he has come to us for consultation. So, Murli, thank you for joining me and agreeing to give a feedback. So that's so nice of you. So, Murli, I want you to take over and give a brief introduction about yourself, and also tell us what was the difference you basically felt between the physical diagnosis Nadi Pariksha and Doot Nadi Pariksha. That is first question. The second question is also the depth of information that one can get through such an evaluation. These are two questions for you.
Yeah, so good evening, Mahesh. Good to see you again. As far as for the viewers, my name is Murli, and I'm an engineer by qualification. I work in the technology industry. So I visited Mahesh back in 2019 for an in-person Nadi Pariksha examination, and this was very in-depth. It addressed matters of the body, mind, and emotions in a nutshell. And the amazing part was all that was delivered after he examined my pulse. And I really did not get how could he make out that level of information based on the pulse. And the best part is it is conversational. So he engaged in a conversation with me. The questions were open, where I had a chance to express myself fully, and based on which the next steps were determined. And the next steps, again, like I said, it addressed not just the physical body by giving medicines. We also delved into matters of belief, thought, and the resulting emotions, which end up in resulting as physical manifestations in the body. The treatment entailed not just medicines, but a set of exercises. You can call it more towards relaxation, meditation, and few other exercises which were tailor-made for me. And that was fine, but with COVID setting in the following year, we did not have any opportunity to meet in person. And recently, I came up with situations where I had to meet Mahesh again, and thanks to COVID, there was no such opportunity. But he did mention to me about Doot Nadi Pariksha, which happens to be over the internet. And this was really amazing. He basically connected with my consciousness. I do not know how, and that for now, 2 days later, it doesn't matter to me how. The fact is, he was as accurate as he was 2 years ago, and came up with a description of what I was dealing with in the body, emotions and mind. He was just spot on. I really do not. I'm thankful to you for giving these descriptions or diagnosis, as you may want to call it.
Yeah. So I just want you to go into a little more specific in terms of the Nadi Pariksha, the comparison. So while in the physical Nadi Pariksha, I am feeling your pulse. So we sit across each other. I'm feeling your pulse. So there is a physical sensation that you feel. But in Doot Nadi Pariksha, you don't feel a physical sensation. So, what was your feeling from the receiver's end? What was your feeling when, while I was doing the Doot Nadi Pariksha? So, what was it you experienced? I myself would like to know.
It was one of anticipation as to what would you come up with without even feeling my pulse. That was certainly there because it's just amazing that these things can be detected remotely by just connecting your consciousness with mine. However, whichever way you do it. In terms of the depth of information, I really did not find any difference between an in-person physical examination and the remote examination. Both were each equally detailed, both were equally exhaustive. I mean, the first instance itself was amazing for me, the in-person examination, and this was even more so. In the second instance, I came to you because I had a set of medical health check reports, my own, of course, and one of the part measurable had been diagnosed. So I'm not too surprised that you could get to it. The main part that I came to you was where I was experiencing symptoms, but the medical reports were not showing anything.
Right.
And the Doot Nadi Pariksha came up with the source of where the symptoms could be originating from. And this is the area where I did not find any difference between the Nadi Pariksha and Doot Nadi Pariksha. In both instances, you had pinpointed sources which were not visible in the medical reports.
So that is the whole part of Nadi Pariksha is we go to the root cause of any problem. So that's the whole purpose. Because unless you find the root cause, you cannot evaluate a proper treatment protocol. Doot Nadi Pariksha is one of the services that we started in 2013, and it happened. One of my doctor's students who had done Nadi Pariksha to a patient did Nadi Pariksha, but apparently did not find any problem in the patient. But the patient complained of severe body pain, at which point he forwarded the chart to me. So when I was looking at it, information just jumped on my face. The severe losses in real estate is the root cause of all his problems. So I had no method of validating it. So I just typed the information and sent it back to the doctor, and the doctor was in disbelief. He said, how could something which is non-medical, so to say, be found from the diagnosis? And when the patient was flabbergasted, because he said he has not shared that information with anyone, and how was I, who was nowhere connected with the patient, be able to tell that? So that was the beginning of Doot Nadi Pariksha. It was something that that is a repository of our tradition, is that when you share knowledge, new knowledge comes to you. So this is exactly what happened to me. So when I shared the knowledge of Nadi Pariksha with doctors, teaching through Ayush and the National Rural Health Mission in 2013, the outcome of that was the gift of Doot Nadi Pariksha, which is given to me as an experience. So that was the beginning. And now during COVID, we've been doing extensively well. We've gone global, and we are seeing patients all over the world, and including in Bangalore, for people, obviously, for obvious reasons that COVID is so prevalent. Thank you, Murli. Thank you so much for coming forward to give your feedback. It's always good to connect with you and your family.